Now let's continue our georeferencing using decimal minute second here and drag it into our data view. And okay, because in unknown spatial reference, no problem. And now we click here, the DMS one, because we have already georef this. Okay, now let's zoom to layer here. Okay. Oh, my mistake. I'm sorry. Out there. Yep. This is this one here. Yeah, the same. Okay. Now we have already clicked the add control points button. Now we zoom in and snap in the middle of the intersection and click one. Okay, here just right click, but now we choose input DMS for lone. Lone is longitude or X and latitude or Y. Okay, here we type longitude, which is E, which is X, so this is 94, and we hit tab button, tab in our keyboard to jump into the next box, and we type 18, and we hit tab again and 0. Don't forget to make sure this is E, not W. This is E. And next latitude here, 4, 36, 36, and 0. And be careful, this is not, it's not south, this is north. So we click N. Okay, there is one. So just let's pan it here. Let's zoom in and snap to, okay, the intersection here in the middle, and click, this is second one, and right click, input DMS and longitude or E 101, jump to 12 and 0 E. This is 4, jump 36, jump and 0. Already N. Okay. Wow, it's already there. It happened again. ArcGIS is smart enough to assume where these rasters supposed to sit on. Into layer here. Yeah. So ArcMAP is intelligent enough to estimate. So let's continue. And click. Oh, I'm sorry, we forget to click the add control point button. This is the third point. Scroll out. Okay, right click and input DMS again. 101, 12, and 0. This is 0, 0, and 0. This is 0. So this is equator line. Okay, the last is here, I think. Yep. And we can right click and input DMS, 94, 18, 0, 0, 0, and 0 here. Okay. All right. Now let's click again, update. But make sure this is DMS, not DD. So just click the update georeferencing. And now we export the data to, oops, I'm sorry, let's rename it and copy the text. And export data to, yep, it's already georef. Yes, just let it there. But this is the, and we add georef. We don't need to put TIFF here anymore because we have click here, we have choose here, we have pick for TIFF in the format, no problem. And we click save. Yes. And yes. So we have DMS grid JPEG and DMS grid geotiff.tiff. This is JPEG. And let's refresh. Yeah, we got two file georef here. And what about DMS? DMS will have the GCS, or it will have spatial reference, XY coordinate system reference, because take a look again at our Windows Explorer, and the DMS is accompanied by two files. Two files are added when we click rectify the georeferencing in ArcMAP. Okay, so let's say okay, problem, just remove this georef, and take a look at this list by source. So we have two paths. Okay, no problem. Don't forget to click save. Now we're going back to Windows Explorer and select this, hold the control keyboard and select this, and we hit delete. And we hit refresh or F1, F5 in our keyboard, and go back to catalog in ArcMAP, and we refresh, and we will see the DMS grid. The DMS reference system will be gone. Okay. I think that's for georeferencing, the degree, minute, second raster. Thank you.